Hey, it's Brett and Coach, and today I am in Andersonville for Midsommarfest, so let's go wander around. So welcome to the 60th annual Midsommarfest, and like I said, it is in Andersonville, so the fest celebrates its Swedish heritage, culture, and even its own museum. The fest is a $10 suggested donation, but besides entry, the donation actually gets you a raffle ticket to a trip to Sweden, as well as a $3 off drink coupon. All of the proceeds go towards the Andersonville Chamber of Commerce, as well as a dozen different local nonprofits. But like all Chicago festivals where the street is closed, that donation is completely optional if you so choose. Midsommarfest features over 50 live musical acts across a few different stages, as well as vendors, food, kids' activities, and more. The event is over 3 days, in which I stopped by the second day, but no matter what day you go, it's always great to visit and celebrate the neighborhood. But my favorite thing about Midsommarfest is all of the people watching, and it's a great way to start off Pride Month. So let's enjoy the views and the rest of the video. Until next time, I will see you in Coach.